Hey, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video, I am going to show you how to make a creamy Instant Pot rice pudding using sweetened condensed milk. It's a really quick video, and we're going to get into it right after this. First, we're going to rinse a half a cup of short grain white rice under cold water, and we're going to go ahead after we drain it and add it to our Instant Pot. Next, we're going to add a cup of water. Next, we're going to add in a half a can or 7 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. It was a struggle to get it out of this silicone measuring cup, but I did it. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in a half a cup of whole milk. Next is a quarter of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I added a little bit more just because this is for me, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of butter. You just want to make sure that everything is mixed together before we put on the lid and set the Instant Pot. With the lid locked in place, you're going to press the pressure cook function or manual function depending on your Instant Pot or pressure cooker, and it's going to go for 20 minutes on high pressure, and you just sit back and let the Instant Pot do its thing. I like to give it another good stir when I take the lid off, just so I make sure there's not like any weird chunks of cinnamon all together or anything like that. I do like to let the rice pudding cool down a little bit after it's come out of the Instant Pot, but I do prefer to serve the rice pudding the day that I've made it. I always feel like fresh is best, but you can keep this up to a week in the refrigerator. And that's it. This is such a simple recipe. I love it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like videos like this. The recipe will be in the description. See you next time. Bye.